Who are you talking to? Yeah? That's wonderful, Joseph. Did you have a fun day today? You visited your new friend, Henry? Henry's the baby in the belly, right? What else did we do? We went to La Canastilla and got you some new stuff and stuff for the other new baby for the baby shower, right? Do you have a baby shower on Sunday? Where are you going? Joey, where's Dada? Joseph? Come back here. Up, there's Smokey. Joey, where's Smokey?